Check in the text below, and also in the comments I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. I think I may have had one of these before, but I can't be sure. I'm a pretty big fan of Conair hair products. This is called Be the Pro, InfinitiPro by Conair. Supposed to leave your hair smooth, not frizzy, with titanium. Provide less damage. Has high heat for 400 degrees, fast consistent heat, and a heat for every hairstyle with 30 temperature settings. No stress, automatic safety shutoff, and single voltage. That's pretty. Got the rose gold. Look at that, how pretty that is. Looks like it's got a lot of fingerprints and things on it. Easy to operate. This part is really thin. You got a little grip right here with the embossed part of the warnings. So I can do it one-handed. I like the curling irons that do like this instead of the ones that require you to do your hands like this. They're just simpler for me. Off, on, 5, 10, goes all the way to 30. We'll plug this in a moment and see how it works. Comes with an instruction guide, warnings, 5-year limited warranty, and United States and Canada only. Instant heat technology, 30 heat temperature settings. And it tells you low for fine fragile hair, goes all the way up to maximum 21 to 30 for coarse thick hair. Doesn't give you a lot of information, gives you a lot of warnings. So let's plug this one in. So as soon as I plugged it in, this little red light came on. And we have a little dial. It's hard to see right here. This little black triangle. So that's telling you that it's off, but the red light's on. So you dial it around, you hear it click. And I'm going to try 25. My hair's pretty hard to curl. So don't know how you know when it's heated up. Oh, I guess when it stops flashing. Can you see it flashing? Let me get this light off this camera. I've had the curling iron on for over a minute and it's still flashing. So I don't know how you tell when it's ready to go. I'll have to go back and check on that part. But this is saying that it's hot enough to curl my hair and cut the camera light back on and reposition the camera. So I don't have any product on my hair other than the Longe polish. And I blow dried it last night and just kind of straighten it out a little bit today with my Longe Levite hair flattener. Supposed to have a cool touch tip, still pretty warm. I know that you're supposed to not do the ends for that beachy look, but my ends are fried, and this is the only way to get them like not so fried. So I guess that's a pretty nice curl right there. Let's do this one the other way. See what we get. Wish I had like a little bit more to hold on to at the top up here. Honestly, the little round thingy, it's not quite easy to get a hold of. Give it a strange look. So, not bad. Let's get this out of the way. Do something with this over here. I'm doing a lot of hair. Probably most people, oh, it is hot on the ends. Probably a lot of people are going to take much smaller sections and section the hair off. I don't really like mine that curly. I just really like to get like a little wave in it. And then it usually falls out falls out the way I want it to be in a couple hours anyway. Now, on this, let's see if we can get it to flip back the other way. Do a little Farrah Fawcett thing here. Pros and cons. It's easy to use, but this thing is a little tricky. Yeah, it does work. They're still hot, so I'm not going to mess with them. I'm going to let them cool so they won't come out. But, yeah, not perfect, but does the job if you can get used to this part. This part is really super easy to use and just have a little rest. And I don't know if you can see or not, but the light's not flashing anymore. So I guess that means it's preheated. I just didn't wait long enough for it beforehand. So my hair's almost cooled off, but you can see the type of curl that it gives. It's not going to be very, not a very tight curl on hair my length. My hair right now is just like multicolored because I made a mistake by leaving my toner shampoo on too long. I don't like the purple. I've dyed my hair purple and blue in the past and just kind of got tired of it. I really wanted it blonde, but it's okay. Yeah, it's not the best curling iron I've ever used. I wanted one that had like a little bigger diameter, but this thing, it really gets hot. I mean, it's hot right now. They definitely need to come up with a better solution. There needs to be larger to hold on to. It doesn't need to get hot. It didn't make the curl as fast and as much as I thought it would be, but of course it is like a big wand. It's like I make like tight little curls, but I would say, honestly, it's like a 3 out of 5 curling iron. This one that I bought at Sally's years ago, I think it's just like one of the Sally brands. It has this one, this never gets hot on the end. And it also is easy to operate. But this is a better curling iron than that one. I'll try to see if I can... The name brand's not on it anywhere. I've had it for so long it's worn off. That is a good one. I've read the instructions twice. I just finished using the curling iron, so I know that it's been heated up for over 30 minutes. And the light's steady. So I guess the light steady means that it's heated up to the temperature that you want it to be. It doesn't say that anywhere in here. In the instructions, it says that it has the gold surface, blah, 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 blah. Never leave it unattended. If you fail to turn it off, it will shut itself off automatically within 60 minutes. So that's nice. And it just tells you that the indicator light will become illuminated when you turn it on and allow the unit to heat up for 30 seconds. But it doesn't say that the light will stop blinking when it's heated to that level. Another confusing thing that they say, they give you the parts to the curling iron. Cool tip, which is a lie. It is not a cool tip. The rose gold titanium barrel. Auto shut off, which it says in 60 minutes will do that. Uniform head recovery system. I guess that's just what it does. It has a counter rest, which is here. And it has a temperature dial, which is there. It has an indicator light, which is here. And it has a swivel cord, which is here. For the instructions, it says to start curling iron with a hair section that's 1 inch wide, blah, blah, blah. Open the spoon. Okay, nowhere on here does it tell you anything about a spoon. Open the spoon and place curling iron midway between the hair section. Confusing. Then spread hair evenly between the spoon and the barrel. So it tells you that this is the barrel, but it doesn't tell you that this part that goes up and down is what they're calling the spoon. It doesn't tell you that. So that could be confusing to someone who's never used a curling iron. And then they call it a spoon again. Spread the hair evenly between the spoon and the barrel. Instructions could be improved, people, at Conair. If my return window from Amazon wasn't closed already, I would probably send it back, but it already has. And then I just didn't open the package in time, so I guess I'll keep it and, you know, put it in my travel bag or use it and learn to love it. It's not horrible, but it did burn my fingers. I'm already accident prone. See? Gotta go get those 4 stitches cut out tomorrow. Running into a cabinet door. Not me. Not me.